Use Bifen, now sold as Talik, as a perimeter barrier treatment to keep common household pests away from your home. Mix 1.5 ounces of Talik per 1 gallon of water for general perimeter work, and use a hand or backpack sprayer set to a coarse spray pattern to avoid drift. Start by removing loose debris and trimming vegetation back so the application surface is as exposed as possible. Treat 4 feet up the foundation and extend the band out 2 to 3 feet into planting beds and mulch to intercept crawling insects before they reach siding or entry points. Apply evenly over cracks, weep holes, door thresholds, and around utility entry points, but avoid spraying directly on flowering plants where pollinators forage. Wear chemical-resistant gloves, eye protection, and long sleeves while mixing and applying, and keep people and pets away until the spray has dried. Store any leftover product in its original container, tightly closed, out of reach, and following the label's storage temperature guidance. A common mistake is over-applying product in concentrated puddles, which causes runoff and wastes material. Use a consistent, slow sweeping motion and check sprayer output to maintain even coverage. Another frequent issue is treating plants that are in bloom, which risks harming beneficial insects. Avoid flowering plants and spot treat, trim, and soil instead. Many people neglect reinspection and retreatment after heavy rain, which reduces effectiveness. Schedule checks after storms and reapply only as labeled directions allow. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors when a job is beyond do-it-yourself scope and provides a place for contractors to find work leads related to pest management and home services. We also host an active discussion community where we share experiences, ask questions, and offer practical advice on treatments and safety.